am Pepper Robot. Welcome to the Robotics and Intelligent System Engineering Lab, SMME, Nust.
An Intelligent Systems Engineering Lab. And here, apart from me, there is somebody else who wants to welcome you. So let's hear from her.
Hello, I am Pepper Robot. Welcome to the Robotics and Intelligent System Engineering Lab, SMME, Nust. I am one of the members of my lab. I am involved in human-robot interaction group projects. And autism is one among those. Just to introduce you with what we are doing. Here is the video demonstration of autism. Enjoy this and see you again.
For example, you can say कि आप सलाम कर दें, आप वेट कर दें, आप कोई चीज वहां से पिक करके लें, etc. And these tasks depend upon the requirement of the therapist. Once the therapy session is complete, we measure the brain activity of the child again, and we see इसकी mental activity का level कितना improve. So alhamdulillah, we have been able to get excellent results, and we found a remarkable improvement in the mental activity of the child after interacting with them. Published study which is being replicated in other parts of the world, and we have written quite a few research papers on it. You can find them online and read them. So therapy center it is in GA. So we bring our robots over there and perform therapy sessions. Until now, we have performed more than 400 therapies. This was our first project. The second project after this is we want to create a robot team that would be able to defeat the World Cup champions of football. So like right now, world champion is France. So 2015 में जो world champion होगा, उसको हमने अपनी robot की team से beat करना है. इंशाल्लाह.